Alright guys, today I'm super excited to be trying out the Treon X1 metal detector. This is supposed to be a very high performing model with some unique features. We're going to take it out of the box, show you what assembly looks like, and then run some tests. Obviously they take a lot of care in making sure that the device gets to you in a safe condition. Hefty instruction manual. Here's our headphones. They are nice and adjustable. Also have very thick memory foam padding on them, so they're going to be comfortable. I also appreciate how they do the coiled cord. That means you're not going to be dragging your cord along the ground. I like how everything has its own carrying bag, and it's kind of like a nice pleather too. Here's the computer unit. You can see it's all nicely sealed and waterproof. All the buttons are waterproofed. It's got a nice wide head, so it's going to provide a large area of detecting. Something I really appreciate on the computer is it actually has a charging port. If you open this up, we get to the USB-C charging port. That means you don't need to deal with any 9-volt batteries like the cheaper models. There's also clearly a lot going on with this computer. This is a heavy unit. I think possibly one of the greatest features of this metal detector is the ability to filter out things you don't want to see. You can see there's different settings, different patterns to use, and it will eliminate certain items. So if you don't want to see any bottle caps or pull tabs for cans, you can totally isolate those out, which is huge. So what's pretty clear is all the pieces fit together in a very small bag if you want to carry it somewhere, and then setup is very easy. First, starting at the back is our armrest. This is adjustable via the handle here, and then that locks down into position. Your arm would go through here like this. You can also adjust the position of the grip, and this is also where the computer is stored. The computer simply slides into the place right there, and then your handle has these locking rings. You basically just loosen it and then turn it clockwise to tighten it down. You can easily set it to the optimal length. And something I appreciate about this one is it has a nice tight fit here that also has an anti-slip rubber piece, so that once you get it into position and you tighten it down with these pieces, it's not going to want to move on you. All we need to do now is coil our cord a little bit and attach to the back of the computer. Nice weather seals on both of these, and we're all set. We're going to go ahead and make sure this has a full charge and go run some tests. Huge thanks to the brand for sending this out to review.